Alright guys, I'm here with the entire Melt Beetlejuice collection. This box is freaking huge. It is ginormous and it is so amazing. If this is something that you guys have been eyeing up, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so it is a big box. Let me try to get it here. There's a drawer that opens up here and there's stuff inside. But this, check out, when you open it up, you get this amazing 3D pop art picture of Beetlejuice and the sandworms. And then everything is inside. And it's what's inside of this big box that we're going to be talking about today. It is actually what I'm wearing on my face right now. There will be a video after this one that you can watch to see how I did this. But into the actual stuff. So in the main part, when you open it up, we're gonna first go over everything in this section. You get 2 eyeshadow palettes. You get the Recently Deceased, and then there is the waiting room. Looking at the Recently Deceased one here first, because it is the one that I'm wearing right now. The packaging is just amazing. They couldn't have done a better job. Open it up, you get a giant mirror, and then both of these palettes include this little still of a shot of the movie. I don't know if you can see it. If I hold it up like that in front of the mirror, now you can kind of see it. And then these are the shades. This one is an 8 pan, and I do believe the other one is 10. I have used it and swatched it, so Beetlejuice was embellished into it. You can still kind of see it, but those go away very quickly. They blend together so beautifully. I will leave swatches up right here. And then we have the waiting room. So I have not used this one yet. I did swatch it so that I can leave photos of it here for you. Again, this is what the outside packaging looks like. Another giant mirror and another photo still. This one is of the sod woman in the waiting room. That is just so cool. These are the shades here. Yeah, I was right. This one is a 10 pan. It is all reds and grays. Beautiful shades. I love these kinds of colors. Here's the swatches. There's 6 different lipsticks. There's 3 of them that are a liquid lipstick. You get Weirder and Weirder, which is this very dark one. I am wearing this one right now. And then I did layer It's Showtime right here on top just to give it a little extra sparkle. And then there is this one here, which looks to be more of like a magenta pink color. And it is called Strange and Unusual. And then we also got 3 bullet lipsticks. I love the packaging on them. They're so cool. This one is called Calypso. And they actually all have like the sandworm embellished on the lipstick, which is super cool. And then we have Miss Argentina, which is this beautiful orangey red lipstick. I like this. Very pretty. And last but not least, we have Ghost with the Most, which this is what I wore in my video on this look. I used this lipstick. So if you want to see that green, check out that video when it comes up. I think it'll be up the day after this one goes up. We also got 2 of the Ultra Matte Gel Liners and 1 pigment paint. So we're going to talk about that. The 2 gel liners we got look like this. This one is this awesome green color. It is what I'm wearing. And then you get this beautiful gray color, which I'm excited to do a look using this. And then you have what they call the pigment paint. I think it's because it's got like all the purple and I don't know, something different. It's not supposed to be used for the eyes, but I'm gonna use it on my eyes anyway. It's purple and it's got somewhat of like a metallic hint to it. It's really cool. I will leave swatches of kind of all these things right up here. So the last 2 things we have in the top part of that box is brand new to Melt Cosmetics. They actually went and made a mascara. So let's see if I can show this here. It has Beetlejuice written on the side, and then going up the container, they actually have the sandworm in there. I don't know, it's really nice packaging. And the wand is a little different, but I like it. It actually worked quite well, so I'm happy with that. And then we did get a eyelash curler. It's just red. I don't think it's anything. Oh, it says Melt Beetlejuice right across the top of it up here. It worked amazingly well. It didn't pinch me, which is great. All right, now we're going to open up this drawer, and that's what we're going to talk about next. So as soon as I pulled that drawer open, I got a couple of things that fell out on me. It's just this pamphlet here. It says Melt Beetlejuice. Awesome picture. I might actually hang that up somewhere because Beetlejuice is so cool. And then I got this card. It says, "It's showtime. We hope you love this collection as much as we do." And it's got Beetlejuice as the sandworm on the back. Fun little cards. The first thing I'm pulling out is really nice, actually. The quality is amazing. It's just a carrier to put all of your goods in. It has the sandworm going around it. Very nice. And then we have a mirror. It has Lydia all around the side dancing. And it is kind of small, but I can get my entire face in there. So I'm sure you'll be seeing me using this while I do my makeup. The very last thing in this big box are these brushes. I did use them, that's why you can see color in them. They are like split black and white. They have Beetlejuice going down, and then they just have, what is it, Lydia going all down. They are really nice. They've got, you know, some weight to them, so it feels like you're holding something. And the bristles are so soft. These will be out where I can grab them all the time. New favorite brushes, definitely. Anyways, guys, I'm so excited to start creating some looks for you guys using all of these. I have a bunch planned in my head that I want to throw different colors together and just have fun with it. So stay tuned because it's gonna be fun. We're gonna dive right into it all. Yeah, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And if you want to be notified of upcoming videos, definitely hit that bell because you don't want to miss what's coming. Anyways, guys, until next time, I hope you all have a fabulous day.